Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See this problem. So this is a problem belongs to AC circuit analysis. So you are asking that how to find complex power, average power and reactive power. So whenever RMS current and impedance is given. So whenever these two parameters are given, then how can you find complex power, average power and reactive power? So we know that the complex power as whenever RMS current and impedance is given, so that is magnitude of current whole square into impedance. So here magnitude of current is 10, that is 10 square, and impedance is given as 100 with phase angle 45 degrees. So it becomes 10 power 4 with phase angle 45 degrees. So this is in phasor form of complex power. So convert this complex power in terms of complex number, so then we can easily find out average power and reactive power. That is, so wherever the phasor form will be like this, so convert this into complex form, that is A plus B I form. So how means R into cos theta plus I sin theta. So this is the standard conversion from phasor form to complex form. So it can be converted in this form. Okay, that is A plus B form. So in some books it was given J. So now by applying that, we will get this value as 7.071 plus I 7.071 kilo volt ampere. So volt ampere is the unit for complex power. So this is the complex power in complex form. Now from this, how can you find average power and reactive power? The real part is called as average power. That is, here the real part is that is 7.071. So apply kilo here. So kilo. The units for average power is watts, kilowatts, because kilo is applied for both terms. Okay. Now here reactive power is the imaginary part, that is 7.071 K is there, K, this is the value. Now what are the units for reactive power is var, kilovar. So this is average power and this is reactive power and this is a complex power in terms of complex number form and in phasor form. This is the process of simplification of complex power, average power, reactive power. So whenever current means RMS current and impedance is given here. So and thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.